Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. This is going to be a quickie on how to replace part of a faucet. It's not going to be the whole thing. I hope I'm not even going to have to go underneath. This is a little temporary thing that I did that didn't work at all. Let's get rid of that. Anyway, there. The problem with this is that the threads are shot inside here. I've still got some threads there, but as you can see, I screw it in and it's barely tightens up just a little bit, and then eventually after I use it a few times it falls out. I do have a replacement. I think it's gonna be an exact replacement, and that has some threads in it, you can see. Let's see if I can get this off without having to dive underneath. First we'll turn the water off right there. I think we need to just turn off one side. Okay, you can see that's turned off. By the way, this is Moen, M-O-E-N. I think I'm going to be able to get warranty replacement on this. This is a spare I had when the house was built like 23 or 4 years ago. So an original owner, this is supposed to be lifetime. I'll put it down in the comments how well they adhere to their guarantee. Okay? There's the new one on the left and the old one on the right. You can see the really worn out threads there and the nice ones on the new. Okay, well, as I hoped, it turns out that you just screw this top handle piece off. It's multiple pieces, but it's like a one unit, or it comes all put together like that. And I'm gonna put this new one in, and I'm gonna reuse this chrome piece because the other ones I have are brass. Brass is probably better actually, but it has to match, so it's gonna look like, it wouldn't look right with two different colors, obviously. So reuse the chrome it is. And there's a little gasket, which is actually not to prevent leaks of water or anything like that. But I think this, sorry for the focus. Come on. My goodness. I get it and then I lose it. Well, there, that's pretty good. This prevents it from backing out, I think, basically. It's like a lock washer, only it's a thick rubber gasket. Yes, because I could feel some resistance when I screwed it in, so that's to prevent it from going out. What I'm also going to do, just so I don't ever have to do this again, I'm going to put some red Loctite in there. So I'm going to go down on the bench and get some red Loctite. You know, actually I changed my mind. I'm going to use this blue Loctite, quick tape they call it. I got it at some car show and I've been wanting to use it up. And the red, you have to heat it up to get it undone. And I think the blue is probably going to be more than sufficient. So here's a little froggy tip. I was trying to tighten this up, and because it's so shiny, my hand was slipping. And also I don't want to put pliers on it or anything like that. So I took this Post-it note, which has adhesive. I guess I could have used any kind of piece of tape, but I grabbed it, put it on there. And this is like extreme Post-it notes. They last a long time. Yeah, it says extreme notes. That's what they call them. So they're very tough, and they don't tear easily. So I put that on there, and then I had extra grip, and I was able to tighten that up pretty good. So let's get it back on to the sink. Well, alrighty. hot, cold, hot off, cold off, solid. So that's it. Just a quickie on a faucet. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click on the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out, bye-bye.